In this tutorial, discover how to start a successful YouTube news channel without the need for professional news presenters or expensive studio setups. Learn how to create endless news videos using free AI tools. Plus, I'll reveal a tip to generate unlimited content from an open source towards the end of this video. So if you are excited, let's begin.
Step 1. Create AI anchor. So for this, we will be using leonardo.ai. I'll be giving the link in the description. Go and log into leonardo.ai with your Gmail or email account. Once you log in, get to this left-hand side widget AI image generation. Click on this. But according to me, I have got the best result from this command. So this entire command and the negative command I'll be giving in the description. Now for this, I will just paste the command here and keep this add negative prompt on. Use Dream Shaper V7 this format because I have seen this model gives the best possible result. Now come to the left hand side widget. Here you will be getting number of images. You can choose up to 4, but I have chosen 2. Now come downwards. Here you don't have to change anything except the ratio. For me it is 16:9. And then go to generate. Once the image is generated, go to this download image option and download it to your folder. Next, go to Google News. Google News will provide you different types of news. You can choose the best one. Copy that news and paste it in a Word file. Step 3. Collecting the images and videos from Google. Go to images in order to get related images. Just open it and you can right click and save image as in the desktop. Likewise, you will have to save all those related images. Now let us move forward to create the voiceover. Now go to 11labs.io. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So once you log into 11 Labs, you will have to just paste the data here. So I'll take a female voice. I am choosing Bella. Here you can choose the stability. You can reduce it. And once this is done, go and generate. Once you're satisfied, go to the bottom right hand side download button and download the audio file. Let's move forward to step number 5. Here we will be creating the intro for our news. So for this we will be using Canva. I will be leaving the 30 days Canva Pro free trial link in the description. You can very well use Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So go to canva.com and open with your own Gmail or email account this video option. And here in the once it opens, left hand side, go to element section and type news intro. And then go to videos option. You get different intros here. Now you may choose any of these. Select this, right click and set the video as background. And then you go to this top right hand side corner share button. Go to download button. Select MP4. Now just uncheck this and check the one slide which you want to download. Done and download. So we're done with our 4th step. Now let us move forward to the next step where we will be creating the lip sync for the image which we have created. For this, I will be using HeyGen. I will be leaving the link in the description. And once you log into HeyGen software, you will be given 1 minute free trial. Towards the end, I'll be sharing with you how you can continue generating videos with the same anchor with an open source without having to pay anything. Okay, so for that you'll have to stick to me till the end. This is the home page. I will have to go to photo avatar. Now you'll have to upload your avatar. You'll have to go to this upload talking photo avatar and you'll have to select the photo which you have just downloaded and open it. I have already done it, so I will be using this photo. Now when you'll be uploading the photo, firstly it will be coming in this way, in a circle. You'll have to go to edit avatar and you'll have to select original and save as new. So now you go to create video and landscape. Now I will be simply uploading the audio. For this I will go to upload and upload the audio which I have just downloaded. 52 seconds long. Try to keep the audios within 1 minute, within 60 seconds. Why? That I will tell you towards the end. When I'll be sharing the open source, then I'll tell you why. You can go for preview section by clicking on this preview, and you can submit it from here. For 52 seconds long video, I'm getting 1 credit. 1 minute, till 1 minute video, you will get 1 credit spent. Okay, once it is done, go to submit. Now it will come here, it will show how much percentage is ready. Once it is ready, it will be shown like this. While it is getting ready, let me show you few more things. Go to this templates option. Here you see different types of templates are there. Instead of using Canva, you can even go to this breaking news section, and here also you will get so many. Here these intros are all free. 3 dots and download this video. You need to go to this video section in order to check if your video is ready. So once the video is ready, go to this download original video option and download the original video. Before we move forward to edit the final video, I want to show you the earning potential of such AI news channels. Now look at this channel, AI News. This channel is having only 66.9k subscribers. But look at their popular most videos view, 630k, 442k. So all these videos are having lakhs of views. And if you talk about the earning potential, look at this. The monthly earning potential itself varies from $45 to $728. And the yearly earning potential is insane. 546 is a minimum and a maximum is 8.7k. So you can jolly well understand the earning potential of AI channels, and the best part is the competition as of now on AI channels on YouTube is very low. So leverage these guys, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you one trick or one open source which will definitely blow your mind. With that, let us move forward to edit the final video. For video editing, I am using Filmora 12. This is a paid software, but definitely you can use any other software. The functionalities are very simple, which are available in most of the basic editing softwares. So I will be taking the aspect ratio 16:9 and go to new project in Filmora 12. Once done, go to import media files and import the video which we have just downloaded. That is this one. You can select all together and open. So all my videos and images are here. Now I will have to go to this top left hand side, this timeline option, and go to add track. Now I will just drag and drop. Here you can just ignore this. Drag and drop the video track, the main video on the top, and the background video. Definitely before that you will have to add the intro, then the main video, and then finally the background video which we are going to use. Now once this is done, watch carefully. Select the video, the topmost layer, and go to this AI tool option in right hand side widget. Now you will have to keep this AI portrait toggle on, and boom, the background is removed. Now all I need to do is double click on this video and just situate the model in the right place. I want to situate her in the right hand side. Okay, and once this is done, just play once and check if it is alright. But before that, I want to add one transition in between the intro and the main video. For this, you can go to this transition option and get one easy transition. So I'll go to trending transition. So now you can check. Next is we will have to add the images here. For that you will have to go to this media option and bring the images on top of this. Okay. Now select the image, make it short, and just drag it here and bring it at the middle so that it covers the entire TV screen. So make sure you bring one background which is having a TV screen. Okay, like this you can continue using the other images as well. So just drag and make it small so that it fits into the screen properly. And one more thing, if you want to add one background music in front of this intro part, then you'll have to go to YouTube and go to YouTube library. Go to YouTube audio library, and here you will have to type newsroom news. This is the best option, so you'll have to go and download this. So once you download this, you'll have to upload that audio also from here. Drag and drop that audio here. Okay, now you will have to give a split here, and this part you'll have to make the audio sound very slow, very low, and give a subtle fade in and fade out. Same way this one also give a subtle fade out and fade in. Once it is done, you can play and check how does it look like. This way you will have to finish the complete video, and once the complete video is finished, you'll have to go to this export button. You'll have to give a name to the file. You'll have to select the directory where you want to save it, keep it in the high resolution and export it. And once all these are finished, this is my final news report. But hold on, after this I'm going to reveal that magical tool which will cost you nothing but will give you unlimited video generation for absolutely free. Stay tuned, and this is the final result.
IND versus ENG World Cup 2023 live score. India infallible. Beat England by 100 runs. India has beaten England by 100 runs, registering their biggest victory in this tournament so far. The host team scored 229 runs at the loss of 9 wickets. Indian skipper Rohit Sharma scored 87 runs. Suryakumar Yadav also played a crucial game, scoring 49 runs for the team at a vital juncture. This is India's 6th consecutive victory. Mohammad Shami took 4 wickets, while Jasprit Bumrah claimed 3. As we delve into this crucial encounter, we'll bring you real-time updates, thrilling moments, and expert insights on how these cricketing giants fare in this pivotal showdown. Stay with us for all the action and analysis from this pivotal clash.
This is a time when I should be revealing that free open source software which can get you this job done for unlimited number of times. For that, I'll be using collab.research.google.com. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can open it in browser. Then first go to this connect GPU option and let the software connect. Once it is connected, this tick will appear. After this, come to step 1 and click on this run button and go to run anyway option. Let this software run the entire program for you. Now once the process is completed, you will see this tick mark. Now we don't need lip sync YouTube video, so this part you shouldn't be touching at all. Now come downwards, we are going to do lip sync for our own video files, right? So here, without changing anything, you just need to click on this play button. Now once it runs, you will have to choose the file. So go to choose file. Here you'll have to choose the video file. So I'll choose this file and open. Now after this part is completed, you will see the video is showing here and a tick mark will appear in the left hand side. Now next, go to this option and upload the audio file. So here is the trick. You should be every time changing the audio as per your news. Before this, you will have to just generate the audio part, right? Text to audio, text to voiceover. So after that, you can directly come to this option by only creating one video from HeyGen, like I have created one. I don't need to every time use HeyGen to generate my next upcoming videos because my video model is ready. I just need to change the voiceover and use Google Colab to render my news videos. But one thing you should be remembering, every time you will be uploading any audio that should not be crossing 60 seconds or 1 minute tenure. That's the reason I was telling you, if your news is too long, break it into some parts so that your audio remains within 55 seconds. Now let us move forward to upload the audio file. Come to step 3 and go to this play button. And here we will have to upload the audio file. So this time I am using some other news related to Elon Musk and let it upload. Once this is done, you will again see the audio file here and a tick mark in the left hand side. Now once these processes are over, just go to play this fourth step where it will be generating your lip sync. So it might take a little while. While it's generating your final lip sync, I would like to mention few things. Here few errors might come if you give in the name, the file name, if you use any numerics or special character or dots or even any space. So make sure the file names do not contain any dot, numerics or space. Check it out. On the fourth option also, the fourth step also, you should be getting this tick. And now here the video is ready. You can simply go to these three dots and download the video. And now this is the final video, lip sync video, the second one, which is made out of Google Collab.
A year later, Musk's X is tilting right and sinking. 1 year after billionaire Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion, aiming to rid it of a woke mind virus that he believed was suppressing free speech, the site's business outlook appears dire. The number of people actively tweeting has dropped by more than 30%, according to previously unreported data obtained by The Washington Post, and the company, which the entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX has renamed X, is hemorrhaging advertisers and revenue, interviews show.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.